Commissioner and Secretary Jonga District Council Affairs Uba Cyril Vidien do. Hak jingkren shkilat pathai khubor hak janmit jong arpoi terik urimpang arja arpusan. Ula pintip ba ka jingthep vote ha barok ki district ki bala Pynlong ye ka election ki HEDC. Kalong ka bayad bet klamdon ganu ka jingthot kat ba ha ka bayade bat ki district ba Pynlong ya ka HEDC election. Kamtam hakithan jong ke East Jente Hills. Kaladon ke Jing Shah Pynpra ya ki EVM haki Tylli ki polling station. Kibadan hagishnong batao bat wapong. Uba Cyril ulapintim baladep airu ya ke hukum ban Pynlong Biang ya ke Jingthep vote hakitei ki South Lee ki polling station. Lasyai kesni ke arpu arterik urimpang arja arpusan nadu ke nyaw buji minstep hadu saw buji
In
janmi.
two polling stations, namely 7 Wapong Skur male and 8 Wapong Skur female, there was report that an unidentified and damaged both the EVMs in these two polling stations. So as a result, the report has been received, we have examined, and under the rules, we have ordered for a repoll. The repoll will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. It will conclude at 4 p.m. So the order is already out from the District Council Affairs Department that a repoll has been ordered for these two polling stations under 22 Musnyang Rangat District Council constituency in East Jente Hills District. Another report was received sometime a while ago from again East Jente Hills District, this constituency called 29 Batao Lakadong constituency, under which again an unidentified group of persons entered the polling station and damaged the EVM. This is at two polling stations, 7 Batao A, which is a male polling station, and 8 Batao B, which is a female polling station. Here also, a report was received that because of the EVM damage, the District Council Affairs Department has ordered a repoll under the rules. So for this also, there will be repoll which will happen tomorrow at 7 a.m. So to summarize, in Jingthep Hills Autonomous District Council, as per reports received till date, 4 polling stations, 2 under 22 Musnyang Rangat District Council constituency, and 2 polling stations under 29 Batao Lakadong District Council constituency will go for repoll tomorrow. Thank you.